Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about some splendid trees because we're on the train. Now unfortunately there's no dictionaries, but there is quite a lot of hills. Oh, hello tree. More trees, more plants. Let's just, yeah, there we go. There's more hills. Mother, where are we?
I can't believe you said dictionary.
What, Mum? We are in the glorious place of Greenfield, we think, on the train. More trees are very splendid. They have branches and leaves and tree trunk and they live for many years and they are very splendid. Oh, there's a house. Hello house. Hello field. Hello clouds. Oh, look at the clouds. They're very dark-ish. These hills look rather interesting and splendid. Maybe there's dictionaries hidden in the mountains from Aldi and Lidl, because that would make everybody's day. Goodbye.